Hello viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make rasam with MTR Rasam Powder. Okay, let's start. Switch on the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, now add 3 garlic and 2 chopped green chili. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Now add half cup of turmeric juice, which is soaked 20 minutes before. Okay. Now add 2 glasses of water. Now add salt as per your taste. Add small piece of jaggery. It will give a good taste to your rasam. Now boil. Okay, now add 1 tablespoon of MTR Rasam Powder and mix it well. Finally add chopped coriander leaves. Now our rasam is ready. Now switch off the flame.